अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू द 13th एपिसोड ऑफ आज बाय दुबई। आज बाय दुबई ने अब तक आपको 12 एपिसोड्स में डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स दिखाए, डिफरेंट लोकेशंस पर लेके गए। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हम बार बार स्पोर्ट सिटी क्यों आते हैं। स्पोर्ट सिटी एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि बड़ी ही कन्वीनियंट लोकेशन पर है, जो कि द न्यू हैपनिंग ऑफ दुबई। आई मीन आपके पास यहाँ पर एक्सेस टू द जबल अली एयरपोर्ट, एक्सेस टू एक्सपो, एक्सेस टू शेख जायद रोड फ्रॉम हेयर, वेरी इजी एक्सेस फ्रॉम हसन स्ट्रीट। एंड अगर आप देखें कि यहाँ से आप मोटर सिटी, यू कैन गो टू जुमेरा विलेज, यू कैन गो टू एनी प्लेस in Dubai, which is called New Dubai. In my opinion, the concentration of investments is going to be only in Dubai on this side, because यहाँ पर आपके पास एक्सपो भी आ रहा है, यहीं पर आपके पास जबल अली एयरपोर्ट एक्टिवेट होने वाला है। जबल अली एयरपोर्ट में ऑलरेडी पैसेंजर फ्लाइट्स लैंड कर रही हैं, बहुत पहले से वहाँ पर आपकी कार्गो फ्लाइट्स ने लैंड करना शुरू कर दिया था। एज आई ऑलवेज से कि जबल अली एयरपोर्ट एक ऐसी लोकेशन है जो कि इस जगह में लाइफ भर रही है। जबल अली एयरपोर्ट जब तक फुल एक्टिवेट होगा तब तक आप देखिएगा कि यहाँ पर रेजिडेंशियल, कमर्शियल एंड ऑफिसेज रिक्वायरमेंट्स, होटल रिक्वायरमेंट्स ग्रो करने वाली हैं। हम इस वक्त कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं रूफी के प्रोजेक्ट्स के ऊपर इन स्पोर्ट सिटी। जैसे कि लास्ट वीक हमने आपको रूफी वाटर व्यू का प्रोजेक्ट प्रेजेंट किया था, इस हफ्ते हम आपको प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं रूफी पार्क व्यू। रूफी पार्क व्यू और वाटर व्यू प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो कुछ ज़्यादा फासले पर नहीं है, यू कैन से दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर। एंड इसमें आपके पास एडवांटेज ये भी रहेगा कि आपको पार्क का व्यू भी है, यू कैन हैव अ कैनाल व्यू विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी द मोस्ट हैपनिंग लोकेशन इन स्पोर्ट सिटी। स्पोर्ट सिटी अगेन एंड अगेन इसलिए प्रेजेंट करते हैं आपको कि स्पोर्ट सिटी के अंदर आज की तारीख में प्राइसेस आर वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल। यू कैन ओन एन अपार्टमेंट, यू ओन योर ओन हाउस विद इन 1 million to 1.5 million, और अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट छोटे लेवल पर करना चाहते हैं तो विद इन $500,000 dirhams यू कैन इन्वेस्ट एंड have an apartment like studio. अब हम बहुत जल्दी आपको लेके जाएंगे और दिखाएंगे रूफी पार्क व्यू कि उसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन लेवल पे क्या हुआ है, क्या अचीवमेंट्स हैं इनकी सो फार, कब डिलीवरी होगी। हमारे साथ एक मरतबा फिर होंगे मिस्टर महरोज़ रूफ़ी। महरोज़ रूफ़ी हमें बताएंगे कि उनकी कंस्ट्रक्शन इस वक्त किस स्टेज पर है, कब हैंडिंग ओवर करेंगे वो, और क्या मिक्स अपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं और किस रेट पर ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन एंड गेट इनटू रूफी पार्क व्यू। So we have Mr. Mahrouz Rufi as usual. He has taken time out for us, for you, to present his own another property. And as I said, कि हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं आज Rufi Park View. Park View is more or less, you can say, it is completed with the block works and quite a high building. I'm not the right person to tell you what is Parkview, and we'll hear it from Mr. Mehruz Rufi. Mehruz, welcome to the show.
Welcome.
Again.
Thank you for having me, Kamran.
Our viewers have had great response on your projects. We have been receiving many queries, many calls, and they are very interested in investing in your projects. आपने जो achieve किया है वो आपके साथ share करना चाहते हैं. So this project is again our this segment's main focus. I'll take it from...
Kamran, Rufi Parkview. I mean, we're standing right now in Rufi Parkview project. This is a G+15 project.
Right.
It's got 2 basement parking. This is again one of our flagship projects.
Right.
The most interesting thing about this project is this is going to be completed in July 2014.
All right, so it is almost done.
So it's pretty much done, as you can see.
Yeah, lots are done. And, I can see, as if I'm standing in the balcony right now, I can see the canal, I can see, it's going to be a great location.
Again, like I said, most of our projects in Dubai Sports City are on excellent location. You can see the view all around.
Beautiful. Yes.
This project, again, like the other projects, have excellent facilities. It's got 4 lifts. It's got central air conditioning.
And central air conditioning, it is not like conventional air conditioning where you've got your own box type AC. It is with the district cooling, as you explained it.
Yeah. All of our buildings comes, like I said, high tech. You compare it to any other buildings in the world. These are all fully high tech.
And I've noticed that you people are using insulated walls, which is gonna be very heat resistant, as well as in the winter it will be warm, in the summer it will be cold.
Yeah.
So
this is actually one of the thanks to Dubai municipality, this is actually one of their laws again that you're only allowed to use insulated blockworks. Especially on your outer walls.
Okay.
So these are all heat and cold resistant, weather resistant blockworks.
So your consumption of the air conditioning will
also goes down. So it's helpful in so many different ways.
So what do we have here? We have got studios 1 and 2 mix again.
Again, a typical mix of studios, 1s and 2 bedrooms.
And right now we are in one of the 2 bedrooms.
We're actually in a 2-bedroom apartment over here.
One of the master.
I believe this is one of the most spacious 2-bedroom apartments in Dubai Sports City. It's about 1,600 square feet, which is very big compared to other buildings in the area.
And these walls will be curtain walls as glass, or there will be a balcony or something.
Well, it's some rooms do have balcony, like the main hall over there.
Okay.
Has the balcony. These rooms have full glass view of the canal. Most of the apartments again are corner apartments. Most of them having the nicer views, especially the 2 bedrooms, which are the spacious ones in the corner.
Right.
You've got again the canal view. You've got a park coming up in front of this project, and that's why it's called Parkview. You've got 2 parks around this project.
Yeah, you've got a park as well as you could have called it park and canal view. Because canal is again open to you, as you rightly said that you have acquired one of some of the best lands in Sports City.
Yeah, again very strategically located. You've got park views, you've got canal views.
Right.
You've got the golf course view partially.
Yeah.
You've got the good marina skyline view from there. So overall, it's a good location project.
How you said 1,600 is the size of the 2-bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
What are the sizes of your studios?
Well, studios are around again 550, 525 square feet.
And what price? Is it like a fixed price for all your projects, or variable?
No, they're variable depending on when the completion is.
Okay.
So again, if someone's interested in buying this project, because it will be handed over in July 2014,
right.
Hence the prices are a little bit higher because it's on completion stage. And then
what will be the price here? If our viewers are interested in buying,
we're talking about 850 dirhams
850
per square foot.
And the finishes will be as
all of Rufi's products, very high end. Now we're developing 8 buildings in this area, and the ambition and the aim is that if we build one poor quality of building, 8 of our other projects gets affected. So the idea is, and the intention is, to finish all these buildings topmost.
All the material sourcing is done by you personally, I believe, right?
Yes. We have a special understanding with the contractors wherein we purchase our finishing material.
You don't leave it to the contractor,
not at all.
And you don't allow them
not
to make
at all.
money
There are
on
a lot
that.
of developers in Dubai, they leave their finishing to the contractors as a turnkey project. We don't do that because we especially take care of our end users, in which we want to provide them with the best quality.
Excellent. Let us move on and see the studios. I want to see the size of those studios and we want to see like what kind of other views we can show it to our
absolutely,
clients, yeah?
absolutely.
So let's
these are already finished block works,
yeah.
so they can pretty much see what the sizes of the rooms are going to be.
I believe you have kept a lot of provision for the wardrobes and everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it will save a lot of space for the residents when they come in.
Yes, absolutely. So this is an ensuite, bathroom over here. This is a master bedroom of a 2-bedroom.
Right.
So I think we should show viewers on, what the hall looks like.
Let's move on. Yeah. So we'll take you now to the other apartments and let's follow.